What if I told you that one small spoonful of something sweet every morning could quietly change how your body feels all day long? Not a pill, not a fancy supplement, just something that's probably already sitting in your kitchen right now. Stick with me because what happens after a few days might surprise you. Honey has been around forever. People have used it for food, medicine, and energy for thousands of years. But most of us today only think of honey as something we drizzle on toast or mix into tea when we're sick. What if eating honey every morning did more than just taste good? What if it affected your energy, digestion, immunity, and even your mood? Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens in your body when you make honey a morning habit. I'm not talking about magic or wild claims, just simple, real effects that many people notice over time. Some are small, some are bigger than you'd expect. And one of them, near the end, is the reason a lot of people never stop this habit once they start. Let's start with the first thing most people notice. When you eat honey in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, your body gets a quick and gentle energy boost. Honey is mostly natural sugars like glucose and fructose. Unlike refined sugar, honey comes packaged with small amounts of enzymes, antioxidants, and minerals. This means your body can use it fast without that harsh sugar crash you get from donuts or candy. Many people say they feel more awake, more alert, and less groggy within 15 to 30 minutes. It's not caffeine energy, it's smoother and steadier. This is why some people replace sugar in their morning coffee or tea with honey. Others take a teaspoon straight, followed by warm water. Athletes sometimes use honey before morning workouts because it gives quick fuel without feeling heavy. Now let's talk about digestion. Eating honey in the morning can help wake up your digestive system. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, and it can support healthy gut bacteria when eaten regularly. A healthy gut means better digestion, less bloating, and more regular bowel movements. Some people who struggle with morning bloating or slow digestion notice that honey helps things move along more smoothly, especially when combined with warm water or lemon water. Honey can gently stimulate digestion without irritation. Over time, this can lead to better nutrient absorption. When your gut works better, your body actually gets more benefit from the food you eat later in the day. Next up is something a lot of people don't expect. Honey may help reduce morning cravings. Because it gives your body quick energy, it can stop that urgent need for sugary snacks or processed carbs mid-morning. When blood sugar stays more stable, cravings calm down. People who eat honey in the morning often say they snack less before lunch. They don't feel that shaky, hungry feeling as early. This can be helpful if you're trying to manage weight or avoid overeating later in the day. And no, honey doesn't automatically cause weight gain when used correctly. 1 teaspoon of honey has about 20 to 25 calories. That's less than most sweetened coffee drinks or breakfast bars. The key is moderation. Let's move on to immunity. Honey contains antioxidants and natural compounds that support your immune system. Eating it regularly may help your body fight off minor infections and inflammation. This is one reason honey has been used for centuries during cold and flu season. Many people notice fewer sore throats or less irritation when they eat honey often. Some even say they get sick less frequently, though results vary from person to person. Raw honey, especially local raw honey, may also help with seasonal allergies for some people. The idea is that tiny amounts of local pollen in honey help your body get used to it over time. This doesn't work for everyone, but enough people report benefits that it's worth mentioning. Now let's talk about something that affects almost everyone: skin. When you eat honey regularly, your skin may start to look healthier over time. This is partly because honey supports digestion and reduces inflammation. When your gut and immune system are happy, your skin often reflects that. Honey's antioxidants help fight oxidative stress, which can contribute to dull skin and early aging. Some people notice fewer breakouts, better hydration, and a more even skin tone after a few weeks. Of course, honey alone won't fix all skin problems, but as part of a healthy routine, it can support skin from the inside out. Next, let's talk about the brain. Your brain uses a lot of glucose to function. Eating honey in the morning provides a clean source of fuel for mental clarity and focus. Many people report feeling more focused at work or school when they start their day with honey. This can be especially helpful if you often skip breakfast or feel mentally foggy in the morning. Honey gives your brain what it needs without making you feel stuffed or sluggish. Some people even say it helps improve their mood. Stable blood sugar can mean fewer energy dips, fewer mood swings, and a calmer feeling overall. Now let's touch on heart health.
Honey contains compounds that may support healthy cholesterol levels when used in place of refined sugar. Swapping sugar for honey in your daily routine can reduce overall sugar intake, which is good for your heart. Honey also has mild anti-inflammatory effects, which matter because chronic inflammation is linked to heart disease. Again, honey isn't medicine, but small daily habits add up over time. Next is something many people don't think about: sleep. Eating honey in the morning can actually support better sleep at night. Sounds strange, right? Here's why. When blood sugar is more balanced throughout the day, your body produces sleep hormones more effectively at night. Honey may also help replenish liver glycogen, which plays a role in preventing nighttime stress hormone spikes. Some people even take a small amount of honey before bed for this reason, but starting in the morning helps set the tone for the whole day. Now let's talk about how to actually do this the right way. The simplest method is 1 teaspoon of honey first thing in the morning. You can take it straight, mix it into warm water, or add it to tea. Avoid boiling water because very high heat can damage some of honey's natural compounds. Another option is honey with lemon water. This combo supports digestion, hydration, and vitamin C intake. Some people also add a pinch of cinnamon, which may help with blood sugar balance. If you work out in the morning, honey before exercise can be great. It provides quick energy without sitting heavy in your stomach. Many runners and gym goers swear by it. But quality matters. Raw, unfiltered honey is usually the best choice. Processed honey often loses some of its beneficial compounds. Local raw honey is even better if you can find it. And yes, honey is still sugar. If you have diabetes or blood sugar issues, you should talk to a healthcare professional before making it a daily habit. Now let's build towards the most surprising part. Here's the big reveal that makes people stick with this habit. Eating honey every morning can help you reset your relationship with sweetness. When you start your day with something naturally sweet, your taste buds slowly adjust. Processed sugary foods start to taste too intense. Fruits taste sweeter. You crave fewer desserts, and that alone can change your entire diet without willpower. This is why so many people say honey was their gateway to eating cleaner. It doesn't feel restrictive, it feels enjoyable, and that makes it sustainable. Over weeks and months, this small habit can lead to better energy, better digestion, fewer cravings, improved focus, and even better skin. Not because honey is magic, but because small daily choices compound. That's the real power here. So let's recap in a simple way. Eating honey every morning may give you steady energy, support digestion, calm cravings, boost immunity, improve focus, support skin health, and help you naturally reduce processed sugar, all from one small sweet habit. If you've never tried it, start small, 1 teaspoon. See how your body responds. Pay attention to how you feel after a few days, then a few weeks. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you already eat honey regularly, or would you try it every morning for a week? Drop a comment and tell me how you use honey or if you've noticed any changes. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want more simple, real-life health tips like this, make sure to subscribe. And here's your question for today. What's one small habit you could add tomorrow morning to feel better all day? Let me know in the comments.